Hi guys, so yeah, this is my first ride, uh, long ride with my Hero Xtreme 125R, and today I'm going to Wellington. It's a famous place in Kolkata where you can decorate your bikes and cars. So my angel will go for a makeover because there are certain things, certain accessories that I have to fit, and I also vlog with my GoPro. So yeah, it's my first attempt. Let me know how I have done, and be sure to check out the full video and also comment in the comment section. Stay tuned. Safety first. So guys, I am 5 foot 5 inches and this is 794 mm. So check my foot, show them the foot. This is the one, but the weight balance is so good that it's very easy to maneuver the bike, right? So yeah, a 5'5" can easily ride this bike.
এটা লাগিয়ে দিয়েছি। আরে এটা তো বাই ডিফল্টই দেয় গোপ্রোর সাথে লাগিয়ে দিয়েছি। ওই যে চলছে কিন্তু ভাই ট্রায়াম বাই ট্রায়াম।
আমি এতবার খেয়াল করি না,
যেটা আমি জীবনে প্রথমবার করছি, আমি কখনো করিনি কিন্তু এরকম। হ্যাঁ মানে এতে করিনি তো, জানি না কিরকম হবে। ওরে আমি টেস্ট করে দেখতে চাই যে হচ্ছে কি হচ্ছে এরকম।
The Hero Xtreme 125R dual channel ABS, the new variant for 2026. This particular bike is a beast. The reason is this 125cc engine displacement bike with a 10.5 Newton meter of torque and 11.4 bhp of power at 8250 rpm does very smooth navigation. If you see in this bumpy road, the front 37mm suspensions, telescopic fork suspension and the rear monoshock suspension does wonderful justice to any road. Even in the highway, the stability is managed by the suspension, because when you're riding this particular bike and a heavy truck goes by past you, the gush of wind that fills you or can shake your instability, this particular configuration of a bike can make you very stable. As you can see, overtaking is also very good, and of course there are three modes: the eco mode, the road mode and the power mode. Currently I'm driving in the road mode. Most of the time I have done that only. Even in this heavy traffic over here, if you see, maneuvering this particular bike is very simple. The 136 kg carb weight, it's actually very manageable because it's a combination. The maneuvering, the handle, yeah, it does not like rotate a full 360-degree handle or a 180-degree handle, so as to say, but yes, still it's very manageable over there. The suspension works a great deal even in heavy traffic, going through the nooks and corners and cornering and spaces. Everything is very good. Even in the road mode, the pickup is good, although in the power mode the pickup is extremely fast and high, but yeah, the road mode can suffice also. This is a reason it is a beast in the 125cc segment. The Hero Xtreme 125R does have a good road presence. The reason being, you will see a lot of people are getting attracted towards a bike. It has happened with me. A lot of people has asked at what this particular bike is all about, and also riding this was actually smooth even on the highways or the traffics, the bumpy roads, the potholes. Each and everything has been managed so nicely and so wonderfully. And now let's go to Wellington, reach there, and I'll get back to you with all the things, all the accessories that I will install in my beast of the bike, my angel Hero Xtreme 125R. One more point that I forgot to mention was the braking. The 270mm disc brake at the front and the 240mm disc brake at the rear works a great deal. The dual channel ABS sets in when you're at a speed of 30 kilometers per hour or above, around 35 kilometers per hour, and it does works to a great deal as well. Anyways, we have reached Wellington. Everything was great about this bike. So yes, at last we have reached Wellington, and this is the shop, the motor and cycle supply stores. Very good shop. Mind you, in Wellington you will actually need a different section of shops, a different section of people to get your things done. Like over here, I have actually told the people who are looking after the seat, who are actually doing the seat cover over here, they have started work on my seat cover. I have done this particular selection. I'll show you more details. So these guys are working with my seat. They have pulled away my seat, and they are just making the seat cover here. And while this particular guy is in charge of stickering, so all the stickerings in the bike will be taken care by him. But yeah, by stickering, what I'm doing is that I'm just putting this illuminating radium tire stickers over here, which will actually radiate light in the dark as well. Well, I'll show that once it's done. But now it's time to take a look at Wellington. My god, I was surprised. This is my first visit to Wellington because this is my first bike, absolutely. But I've heard about this place and I have seen it, witnessed it for the very first time. And yes, mind you, a lot of bikes, a different set of bikes, whatever bikes may be, it's there. They are there to get accessories, they are there to get the seat covers, they are there to do some modifications. Each and everything, whatever you can imagine, is available in this Wellington street. The shops are nearby, close to one another, and you will get a variety of shops to shop for your bikes, for your helmets, whatever things, alloys, wheels, and whatever it is there. A lot of stuffs are there. Anyway, my seat has been done over here, as you can see over here. This is a pillion seat, and yes, I have used a great stitching cover over here, and they used a stapler. It's a form of a stapler that they have used to put this seat cover in place. And yes, it will not affect your fingers even when you try to open the seat and all. Over here, what I'm doing is that I'm wrapping the grab rails, because if I carry my cricket kit bag or any other bag whatsoever, it can actually scratch this particular area. So what I'm doing is that you will see once it's done, as you can see over here also, this look and feel is actually very good. Now the seat is being installed. Actually, the seat covers have already been done over here. The front seat is being installed right now currently, and you can see the fit and finish over there. Each and every curves, each and every points are minutely crafted, and yes, it does gives a good feeling. And over here, later on, the street lights over here was not working, so I had to turn on the flashlight and shoot the video again. They are actually doing the coupler fitting for the front seat over here, as you can see, using this particular thing. And yes, the fitting has been done over here for the front seat, and you will see the coupler to coupler fitting for this particular thing with the perfect screws has already been done over here. This is a medical kit that they have provided. Sorry, not the medical kit, the extra kit that they provide you for the bike, the screws and all. See, every fit and finish in every part is so minutely crafted by these people. These are genius, obvious genius people. And this is a rear seat, as you can see. I have shown you already. Also, the medical kit is also attached over here by default. And yes, I have stuck it with the staplers, and I have done this red covering over here, sorry, the bordering over there. But yeah, the red border I cannot do on the front seat because there are no such panels over there to do that. So yeah, the seat has been installed with the seat cover now, and it looks good. And you can see the grab rails also. Yeah, wow, the black and red, or the gray, black, red, this combination is being carried on the grab rails, and it will also offer us support over there. Meanwhile, check out the seat very minutely. If you check the seat also along with the grab rails as well, it looks fantastic. And yes, a guard, you can say, if I carry my cricket kit bag or any bag whatsoever, it will not scratch the grab rails as well. And yes, this part is actually looking very cool, as you can see. And I've also done the stickering on the front wheel and the rear wheels and both the sides also for the radium illuminating one. And yes, they have actually given a demo on this particular set. This particular seat cover they have scratched with a knife, and no sign of scratching whatsoever will come in this particular cover. So the dogs and cats, if they scratch with the nails, your seat will be protected. Go for it, man. I'll provide the phone number as well for this. And now I have to get my crash guard installed, because that is the most important thing. The crash guard that Hero has provided is actually not good. It has to be a more sturdy one. So yes, now at last my time for installation of the crash guard has come, because there were other bikes also that the work was going on for those particular bikes as well. But now it is a time to install my scratch card, and as you can see it has cost me around 1600 rupees to get this scratch card, and it's a damn good quality, very solid quality. One part of the installation is done and the other part is being now carried on. And mind you, the rule in Wellington is that you buy the accessories from different shops, but you have to install it from the separate workers who are working on the footpaths and streets and all. They actually charge you for the installation separately. So that's a ROM, you cannot do anything. As you can see over here, the scratch card part also, over here you will find that there are some more support has been done over here, or more protection is being done over here. This protective part is also being installed nicely over here. So there are some parts that you have to see. You actually have to go to Wellington and see how your bike is being getting ready. Okay, now everything is done and my scratch guard has been installed, and see the look and feel of the bike right now, because the street lights have come. It was not working at that point of time when I was shooting for that seat cover part, but yeah, now it's on and it's actually 8:30 p.m. but still see the look and feel. Oh, mind you, the scratch guard, oh, it's just awesome, man. And see this illuminating radium thing that I have installed as a sticker on the tires as well. When the light falls in the dark light, it will glow. And this mobile holder, the mobile holder by Bobo, it's a very good one. It's rain proof, shock proof, everything proof. It's a very good quality. I'll use it and give more feedback. And this is a key ring that Bobo has provided with this particular mobile holder. It's 8:30 p.m. still a new bike has come over here, as you can see, to do some accessories like fittings for those that particular bike. So you can see Wellington is very busy even at 8:30 p.m. at night. And yes, so now I have met this particular subscriber from my channel. Yeah, so he is here currently. We are chatting about it, chatting about a bit. He's asking about the bike, the performance and everything about it. It's time to go home, but before starting my journey to go home, yes, I was just checking him out, talking to him, and yes, after that I've started my journey back home. And like I was telling, maneuvering this particular bike in every nook and corner, whatever little space is available, is a delight. Oof. Mind you just get a test ride before buying this particular bike, and you'll fall in love with this particular bike. You can see there's tiny spaces, there are logs, there are water, there are like a lot of things, a lot of stuff is happening. It's a very busy road, but still maneuvering this bike was buttery smooth. The clutch is actually, it's not a slipper clutch, but it's very light. It will not give you pain in your hands as well. The acceleration is so good, ride by wire. That's a great new technology. No wire is coming out from this accelerator point, but yeah, it just detects the way you press it, so that does give a good feeling and it enhances your driving experience. Mind you, everything is working great. The 90 by 90 17-inch of front tire and the 120 by 80 17-inch of rear tire also does justice in your driving as well. It gives you stability. That particular stability is required. The rear tire size of 120, that does comes in handy, mind you. And yes, I am actually going through Splanet. It is the heart of Kolkata. It's a very old place. You will find reference to this particular place also. It's Esplanade over here, and I am cruising at 9 p.m. over here through Esplanade. During the daytime, it's actually messy. There's a lot of traffic, but now since night is settling in, so yes, you will find less traffic. But having said that, now I'm moving into the Park Street. This is a Park Street bridge, the overbridge in Park Street. It's a very popular place in Kolkata. Once you visit Kolkata, you will get to this place. And yes, again during daytime, it's a rush. It's a traffic rush over here. But now nighttime, so yeah, driving is absolutely smooth over here. Driving to the heart of Kolkata at night is a bliss, mind you. So yeah, me and Shankar both are actually cruising over here. We both have done some good work to added some good accessories to our bikes. We are fully satisfied. Everything has been sorted, everything has worked out fine. The fit and finish is perfect, and with a peace of mind, we are now going back home. So I'm taking this Park Street bridge, and after that we will pass through one more iconic place, that is a Victoria Memorial. And passing through that Victoria Memorial over here, yeah, that is a Victoria Memorial. That is a glimpse of the Victoria Memorial, because yeah, I am driving, I cannot just like do that. So anyways, passing the Victoria Memorial, we will go to another through another iconic place of Kolkata, which is the second Hooghly Bridge, or the Nivedita Setu as it's being called. And yeah, that is a connector between Kolkata and the interior parts of Kolkata as well. I mean to say interior parts of West Bengal, the suburbs area for us so as to say. So yeah, I'm taking those particular turns, and now currently I'm on this second Hooghly bridge that I was talking about. Again, it's busy every time of the day, every time of the night as well, but yeah, still riding on the second Hooghly bridge is a bliss. So yes, all things done, all things sorted out, peace of mind is there, night has settled in, and it's really cold. I was not wearing any gloves and it was giving me the chills while driving, but yeah, always be safe, wear proper gears, wear proper protection, be safe on your mind, and relax, chill, love your bike, it will love you back, and enjoy the ride. So yeah, riding like this, I have returned home, and you enjoy the rest of the ride. The full review of the bike will come soon after more and more videos. That'll be it, guys. Bye for now. Enjoy. I love my angel.
অলিম্পিয়ার বেরিয়ে এলাম,
মুঘলেন পার্ক
হ্যাঁ বেরিয়ে এলাম।
এ মা, হ্যাঁ পেরিয়ে এসছি।
আমার নেওয়া ছিল,
খাবার নেওয়া ছিল মানে কি, মানে
চলো চা খেলে এক জায়গায় নিয়ে যাচ্ছি।
হ্যাঁ চলো 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 চলো, ভালো চা খাই যাই। সামনেটা পেরিয়ে যায়, এটা দেখে মনে পড়লো আমার।
এটা মাইলেজ দিচ্ছে,
হ্যাঁ
কিরকম মাইলেজ দিচ্ছে?
হয়তো 55 55। তাও তো এই তো কদিন হয়েছে, 2 সপ্তাহ হয়েছে হয়তো। হ্যাঁ 2 সপ্তাহ হয়েছে, নতুন বাড়বে, সার্ভিস সেকেন্ড সার্ভিসের পর তো আরও বাড়বে। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, বেশ সুন্দর। হ্যান্ডলিংটাও বেশ ভালো, হ্যান্ডলিংটা বেশ ভালো,
একদম ব্যালেন্স, একদম ব্যালেন্স।
ব্যালেন্স পুরো।